Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by isolating the device. Close both isolation valves and note inlet versus outlet orientation. Once done, relieve pressure by opening a downstream drain or faucet and catching water. Make sure to place a bucket and rags. You will spill 0. 51L. Now remove any locking clips or test cocks so you can access the unions. Use the correct wrenches to avoid rounding fittings, and confirm the replacement valve matches size and flow direction before continuing. You next loosen the unions while supporting the piping to prevent strain on joints. Once freed, extract the old double check assembly and inspect the check seats, springs, and seals for wear or debris. If components look compromised, replace the entire assembly rather than piecemeal. This saves time and ensures reliability. Wrap male threads with PTFE tape. Align the flow arrow correctly. Then hand start threads and torque the unions evenly to manufacturer spec while preventing misalignment. You finish by cracking the inlet valve slowly, watching for leaks, then open the outlet fully to flush air and seat checks. Make sure to bleed trapped air from the highest test cock. Trapped air can prevent proper seating. Perform a backflow test per local code or with a test gauge to confirm function. If you find a persistent leak, tighten the union a quarter turn. If a check sticks, isolate and disassemble to clean debris. Often small particles cause failure, so inspect and replace seals if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.